Hello and welcome to Pluspark. Today we're going to look at wormeries. What is a wormery? How does it work? You have 3 trays. In the top tray go all your kitchen scraps. A container we keep in the kitchen that we fill up with scraps as the day goes on. The worms then set about doing their magic and turning all that vegetable waste into compost. In the middle tray is the early stages of the compost, but there's still a little way to go. There are holes in the bottom of each tray so that the worms can move between layers. In the final tray is the lovely rich compost. Now in the summer the worms work more quickly and this is ready to use at the point of emptying. However, in the winter it's a little bit of a slower process and I tend to put the compost from the bottom layer into an old compost bag and leave it a little longer for the worms to do their work. Some things do just naturally take longer to break down. I find avocados in particular, they take a while. I have read that you shouldn't put citrus peelings into the wormery, but I do, and it seems to break down and the worms find a use for it. But you might not want to put too much in. When the top layer is full, you need to rotate the trays. Start off by removing all of the trays. Then you can empty out the compost from what was the bottom tray. Put the empty tray to one side. What was the middle tray of semi-composted kitchen waste now goes at the bottom. The tray full of fresher kitchen waste goes in the middle, and the empty tray goes on the top, ready to start the process all over again. It's as simple as that. Just repeat the process every time the top tray gets full. One thing to note is that these are not the kind of worm you'll find if you dig a hole in your garden. These are called brandling worms and they're available online. They're quite easy to find, but if you have a friend who's got a wormery, they'll have plenty and will surely be happy to share some. The only problem we have had is with flies. So sometimes in the summer you'll open the lid and you'll find that there are lots of flies come rushing out. A simple way to stop this is to put a layer of newspaper on top every time you add kitchen scraps. Scraps, straps, scraps. Finally, you might have noticed there's a tap on the side. This is one of the bonuses to using a wormery. You see, all those wiggly wonders are going about their work, creating this lovely compost, and as they do so, liquid is soaking through each layer and it builds up in the bottom here. And you simply open the tap, out it comes, and you have a rich liquid fertilizer that you can feed to your plants all summer long. I hope I've convinced you of the value of getting a wormery. There's ones like this available quite readily online. You can make your own, and hopefully in the future I'll make another video all about how to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Bye.